Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just took my guest room to the next level with this incredible snack bar from Unistyle. This little snack station is made of wood. It comes in a white or a black finish with the opposite color wording. It has dividers and a drawer that opens and comes all the way out, so it has a lot of storage options. Now, I primarily use this to offer my guests different snacks, drinks, and bars that they can have, maybe some tea or things to put in their water or candy, anything I think that would make their visit with me more enjoyable. So they don't always have to ask me for something or come out into the kitchen. There are two handles that you attach to the top of the snack bar, and it has little feet that you stick on the bottom, and then it's ready to go. I like those feet because it protects your furniture wherever you're going to place this. Now, there's lots of other ways that you can use this. If you have a coffee bar or coffee station in your house, you could organize all your coffee things with this. You could put it in your home office to organize food items. I also like to use this when I do a cookout or buffet style event at my house. What a great way to organize the plasticware, the forks, the knives, and the spoons, and the plates. They look so great on my table with this. So it's not just for snacks, not just for my guests, but I get to use it all over my house because it's durable, well-made, and good-looking. I'm always finding new ways to use it all over my house. And that is my point of view.